coastal counties through 6:45 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 5:45 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time, Doppler radar was tracking a strong thunderstorm over Exeter, 47 miles northwest of South Kingstown, moving northeast at 35 miles per hour. Hazards include winds in excess of 40 miles per hour and pea-size hail. Strong winds could cause minor damage such as downed branches. Little to no impact from hail is expected. Locations impacted include Fall River, Warwick, East Providence, Coventry, Dartmouth, South Kingstown, West Warwick, North Kingstown, Newport, Bristol, Somerset, Portsmouth, Barrington, Middle Swansea, Tiverton, Westport, Seacon, and East Greenwich.
Okay.
Get indoors when you hear thunder. Do not resume outdoor activities until at least 30 minutes after the storm has passed. The National Weather Service in Boston